Senator Comerford.
Thanks, Mr. Chair. Secretary, as you know, in the fiscal year 25 budget, through amendment and then signed by the Governor, we established an advisory commission to pick up the baton from the special commission that was charged with creating a new flag, seal and motto for the Commonwealth. And I'm grateful to Governor Healey for appointing Secretary Tutwiler and Director Fox to lead this special commission, which has its first meeting, I believe, on March 20th. I'm concerned, Secretary, that we don't yet have an appointment from you, and I'm wondering if your office will send someone to be represented on that Special Advisory Commission, since the timing is fairly tight, and we're starting a little later, I think, than anyone would have liked, especially given the 250th anniversary of the Commonwealth and the length of this work. I myself share it, and many of my constituents share a great urgency here.
Well, Senator, I've always taken my responsibility to make appointments when necessary. And in this particular case, I've made multiple appointments, but not just appointments. I've made appointments of people of expertise because they were the archivists or historians. And surely I take it as a responsibility. But I would be remiss if I didn't, which I think you know, point out to those who might not understand. This issue has now been kicking around for several years. There have been commissions appointed. Hundreds of thousands of dollars have been spent without resolution. It's not that it's not serious. It's certainly important. We want to resolve it. But unfortunately, the previous commissions, for whatever reason, have been unable to reach any kind of consensus. It's also because I've had people serving on it, and I've gotten regular reports on the meetings.
Just one commission, and the commission did extend its time.
Well, there were discussions even before that. The commission extended its time
Absolutely.
several times, which we supported. But the commission was a failure. I don't think that anybody could argue that it wasn't. Many of the members and many of the meetings spent their time quibbling over, what they were going to do and who would be represented. The issue needs to be addressed, as many other states have, promptly, with the opportunity for equity involved in it. If hopefully the new commission being established by the governor, having been established by the governor, will be the opportunity to focus everybody's attention on it.
And can we have the benefit of your appointment?
Well, you've always had the benefit of my appointment, Senator, so why would there be any difference?
My understanding, Secretary, due respect, is that we haven't yet had an appointment from
but we
your
haven't
office.
had a meeting yet either, so when there'll be a meeting, there'll be an appointment.
Okay. March 20th.
I'm good at dates. I know.
I'm sure you are. And just for clarification, when you said that we've spent hundreds of thousands of dollars, the legislature did appropriate some funds for the first commission and then another $100,000 for this coming advisory commission, but it's not multiple for the first one.
Well, it's also a fact that some of the people on it were public employees because they had the expertise, so their time was valuable as well, and I calculate that as well. I mean, I surely have no hostility to the idea of updating the seal. We've all addressed that. I do think some of the representations that have been made about the existing seal and its biases have been exaggerated, but that's irrelevant. What's relevant now is coming up with something that we can all feel proud of and participate in. That should be the goal. It shouldn't be about addressing past grievances based on whatever. And that, unfortunately, the previous commission spent more time addressing grievances than they did thinking about a new seal.
We may have different perspectives.
We may, and that's the whole idea. We have a new commission and a fresh start, so let's try to make the most of it.
Thank you. Good. I'm excited about this, and I do thank the Governor and Secretary Tutwiler and Director Fox, and I'm very, very heartened by it, and I do think we're going to reach a good resolve, and it'll be stronger if we have a member of your team participating. Thank you, Secretary.
As you always have, Senator, you will.